You cannot smoke in here.
I'm going to.
A little less conversation, a little more action, please. A little less aggravation and satisfaction in me. A little more fight, a little less spark. A little less fight, a little more spark. Coach enough and open up your heart. Maybe satisfy me.
Hi. I think you might be out of bananas.
The panic button or the hold up button is there for your safety in case of an emergency. It is a direct alert to the police, but should never be used unless you are in imminent danger. If you need to call 911, please use the phone to do so. False alarms cost the company a lot of money, and after the third false alarm, we lose our permit to use the panic button. So please, unless you are in imminent danger, don't press the panic button. Instead, use the phone to call 911 in an emergency. Also, do not tamper with or unplug any wires or power cables associated with the panic button, as this resets and causes a false alarm.